Greetings everyone, this is C. Ravi Kishore Reddy, Assistant Professor in Department of IT, Vignanlara Institute of Technology and Science, Vadlamudi. And in today's session, I will be giving you a brief introduction to the course Information Retrieval Systems. So, first in this particular session, we'll be looking at the course objectives, then we'll be looking at the syllabus. Then I will be giving you a brief introduction to information retrieval. Then we'll be looking at what is an information retrieval system. So first, the course objectives. So the course objectives will tell you what are the aims you are going to achieve as a part of this particular course. So first, to provide you a foundation knowledge of information retrieval. So as a part of this course, first you will be learning about what are the various foundations you are going to learn as a part of this course. So what is an information retrieval and how we are going to do information retrieval as a part of information retrieval systems you are going to learn as a part of this course. The second thing is you will be getting a brief description of various information retrieval methods and its advantages of current information retrieval systems. So first you will be learning about what are the various information retrieval systems which are present in the market and what are the methods and which are the advantages and which are the disadvantages of each and every information retrieval method. The third aim is what are the analysis tools you have for information retrieval systems. So having the information retrieval system is one thing and trying to analyze the information present in that particular information retrieval system is another thing. So what are the various analytical tools you have for the information retrieval systems? You are going to get introduced to these analytical tools. So this is the three things. Next, apart from this one, you will be learning about the description of various text searching algorithms. So you will be learning what are the text searching algorithms you have, and you will be learning various types of text searching algorithms as a part of this course. Next, to provide you basic knowledge of the latest technologies present for you to link, describe and search the web. So basically you will be learning how to search the web, what are the things present for you to link the particular web and describe the web and search the web. So you are going to learn basically how to use the web, not the foreground processes, what will be happening at the background processes. So whenever you search the web, what will be the things which will be happening at the background, how you are going to get the results. So all these things will be learning as a part of this particular course. So the brief review about what you are going to get from this particular course is, first you will be getting the foundations of all the particular things related to information retrieval. Next we will be looking at what are the various information retrieval techniques you have and the methods you have, which are the advantages and which are the disadvantages you have for each method. Third we will be looking at the things you have, the analysis tools for your information retrieval systems, and next we will be looking at the analytical tools. Apart from that one, we will be looking at the text searching methods you have for the information retrieval systems, and at last basically we will be learning about how to search the web. So these will be the 4 or 5 course objectives of a particular course of information retrieval systems. Next, in order to achieve all these objectives, we will be looking at the syllabus. So in order to achieve the objectives, first we will be looking at the introduction to information storage and retrieval systems. The unit 1 will be about this thing. In this particular unit, we will be given an introduction to information retrieval system. Next, we will be looking at the algorithms and the data structures related to information retrieval system. Next, we will be looking at how we are going to evaluate an information retrieval system. Then, we will be looking at the algorithms and data structures related to information retrieval system. As a part of this unit, you will be learning about the basics of an information retrieval system. So we will be looking at first what is an information retrieval and how you are going to perform the information retrieval. Then we will be looking at how you are going to do what are the various information retrieval systems you have, that will be the domain analysis. Then what are the other information retrieval systems you have. Next we will be looking at how to evaluate an information retrieval system, that is how we are going to say one information retrieval system is better than another one, that is IR system evaluation. Next, introduction to the data structures and algorithms. So what are the various data structures and algorithms which will be concerned with information retrieval system? This will be the unit 1, which will be looking at the current scenario or in your current session. The other syllabus part is the second unit will be about inverted files. The inverted files will be basically about the storage. So to give you a brief introduction to the inverted files will be used to tell you where to locate your particular file in the database. That is, where to store your particular file in the database. So based upon the contents of the file, your particular location of your storage will be decided by the inverted files. Basically, inverted files will decide where your particular files has to be present in the database. That will be the introduction to inverted files. We'll be looking at what is an inverted file, how you are going to use structures in inverted files, and how you are going to use the inverted files in a sorted array. Okay, how you are going to use sorted array to store your inverted files. So this will be basically learning about how to store your files in the database. That will be inverted files. Next, the third will be about signature files. So signature file is nothing but each and every file will be having one small signature at the end. So whenever you have a database, instead of trying to recollect each everything present in your database, we will be storing all the signature files separately in one file. That file will be calling it as signature files. That is, each and every file will be having one signature. The signature might be about what are the keywords present in that file, what is the name of that particular file, who is the author of that particular file. All these things will be present as a part of the signature. So each and every file you have in the database will be having one signature. So all the signatures will be stored in one file, will be calling it as signatures file. So using this signatures file, you can retrieve the files present in the information retrieval system faster. Okay, so the second unit will be about how to store your particular files. The third unit will be about how to fastly access your files, okay, using your signature files. The next fourth unit will be about new indices for your text. So in order to use the text search, okay, so the text search will be done by using text indexing. This text indexing will be done by using two structures called as pat trees and pat arrays. So these pat trees and pat arrays will be used for your text indexing methods. So all the indexes, as you might be knowing, will be for faster retrieval of your data. So here the faster retrieval will be in terms of text search. So if you are using the text search, we are indirectly using either pat trees or pat arrays. So how you are going to build the pat trees, how you are going to build the pat arrays, you are going to learn as a part of this particular unit 4. And coming to the unit 5, it will be about stemming algorithms. So whenever you are searching, what is the stemming algorithm? So whenever you are searching in a Google, whenever you type a particular word, so all the suggestion words will be given at the bottom. So all these things will be coming from something called as a stemming algorithm. Stemming algorithm will be used for such word suggestions. So where you will be learning lots of things about how to create these stems and how to create trees. You will be learning as a part of the stemming algorithms. And last, the sixth will be about thesaurus construction. This is another method of faster retrieval of your data. I think you must be knowing thesaurus will be used to create related words for your particular files. So this particular thing is also for faster retrieval of your data. So all your unit 3, 4, 5 will be about faster retrieval of data. So also 6 also is about faster retrieval of your data. So you are coming to your syllabus. The first unit will be about introduction to your information retrieval system. The second unit will be about the storage of your files into your particular database by using inverted files. Coming to 3, 4, 5, 6 will be about how to faster access of your data from your information retrieval systems. This is about the syllabus. Next, coming to the introduction part. So before that, we'll be giving you the reference and the textbook regarding this particular subject. So you can refer this particular subject textbook, Information Retrieval Data Structures and Algorithms by Frakes and Yates. And the reference will be Modern Information Retrieval Systems by Yates. And these both books will be useful for you to go through this particular course. Okay. Next, we'll go to the introduction part. First will be, before going to looking at what is an information retrieval system, first we need to understand what is information retrieval. So information retrieval is basically the activity of obtaining information system resources, okay, that are relevant to your information need from a selection of those resources. So this will be a 3 parts. First thing is obtaining information. So how to obtain information and what type of information. That information should be from whatever the need you have. So what is your information need? So based upon that information need, so it should be getting from a collection of resources. So 3 parts. What are those 3 parts mean? So we'll be giving you one question. You will be giving one question like just what you are doing in a Google search. It will be giving you your query. So that query is your information need. That is the information need here. So that information need has to be obtained. Okay, that will be whatever you are going to get the information. That too has to be obtained from a collection of already collected resources. So information retrieval system has to have this basic thing of information retrieval. Basically information retrieval is obtaining information based upon your need from a different set of resources. Okay, that is information retrieval. So what information you are going to basically retrieve? The second part. So information retrieval is getting a data from a resource. So what type of thing you are going to retrieve? So that retrieval can be, you can be searching for information in a document. So you will be searching information from a document. So document will be containing some text or some files. Okay. Inside the document, if you are searching for some information, that is also a part here. Okay. Or you might be searching for the documents itself. You will not be searching for some specific content. You might be searching for the complete documents. Next, you might be also searching for the metadata of some particular thing. Okay. I think you might be knowing this thing from the databases where metadata will be a data about other databases. Okay. Next, or you might be searching for databases of your text, images or sounds. Okay. So you might be searching for either a video, or you might be searching for an audio, or you might be searching for a general text file, or you might be searching for a basic document, or you might be searching for some file in the document. Okay. Sorry, you might be searching for some text in the document, or you might be searching for the document itself. So all these things can be retrieved from your information retrieval system. Okay, this is what you can retrieve. Next, the next question is how to search for that information. Okay, basically to search for that information, either you have to use a full text search, that is just like in Google you will be typing something, so you are giving a text search. Okay, or you can be doing some other context based searches. So context based searches means you will be searching for some image in a Google. So you will be looking for a similar images. That is a context based search. Okay. So this is how you are going to search for the information. Either you are going to search a full text based search, or you can be doing a context based search like an image search, like a video search. Okay. That will be what you are going to search for. That is how you are going to search for the information. Either you do a text search or you do a context based search. Next, where to search for that particular information? In order to search for that particular information, you need to have an information retrieval system. So the search is to be done on information retrieval system like a web based search. So your web based search is one information retrieval system here. Okay. So we have few questions here I have given you. So the first question is, what is information retrieval? Obtaining the data from your particular thing. Next, what information you retrieve? The information could be images, text, files or anything from your web. And how you are going to search for that information? Either you will be doing a text based search, or you will be doing a context based search like an image search. Or where you are going to search for that information? Basically you will be searching from the web or any other information retrieval system. So these are the various questions you have answered about your particular information retrieval. Okay. Next the thing is, what is an information retrieval system? Okay. Those systems which are used to store information. Okay. So first remember that you have to be able to store the information. And this information has to be gathered from different resources or different sources. So you have to gather the resources from various places and close those places and store it in one place. Okay, that is the first part of your information retrieval system. And you are going to store this thing in such a way that it can be retrieved easily. So you have to store these particular files, okay, in such a way that whenever you are trying to access that particular file, you should be able to access the file faster and effectively. So if you are searching for a particular file, you should be able to find it very faster and you should be able to access it easily. Okay, upon the request are referred to as information storage and retrieval system. So this can be combined, as I told you, into three parts. The first part is gathering of your resources. The second part is storing that particular resources at one place. The third part is managing that storage. That is, you have to manage the storage, means you have to store it in such a fashion that whenever I try to request that something from that particular information retrieval system, I should be able to easily access the thing. Okay, such systems will be calling it as information storage and retrieval systems. Okay, this is a definition. So as I already told you, information retrieval system deals with storage, organization and access to the text as well as any other multimedia database. Okay, so you should be able to store and you should be able to manage that particular storage, and then you should be able to access the data. So that data could be either a text data, it could be an image data, or it could be any subject data or any other field of area. So this is an information retrieval system. So information retrieval system is all about gathering of resources from large number of places and storing it into one place and organizing that particular storage so that whenever you want to try to access that particular storage, you should be able to easily access that particular file. So this is about a definition of your information retrieval system. The next thing is, what are the applications? Where are you are going to use this information retrieval systems? Okay, the first thing is right from 1940s. Okay, information retrieval systems were usually developed during 1940s, and during that time information retrieval systems were mainly used for scientific literature. So what does this mean is, during that time all the scientific literature was gathered in one place, and anybody want to access that particular literature, they used to access from this particular information retrieval system, so that no scientific literature was duplicated. So at that time, in 1940s, mostly the information retrieval systems or automated information retrieval systems were developed for storing this scientific literature. Later, in the present days, as you can see, many universities, corporates and public organizations and public libraries now use information retrieval systems to provide access to your journals, books and other things, so that it will be easy for access to large number of users. Okay, so this is the two applications of your information retrieval systems. And the third application is commercial information retrieval systems offer databases containing millions of documents in numerous subject areas. As you could see, you are using numerous web searches, you are using Google, you are using Bing, you are using Yahoo search. So many such commercial search systems are present. All these commercial information retrieval systems are able to provide millions of documents in varied areas. Okay, this is the third application where you are using information retrieval system. The third is dictionaries and encyclopedia databases. I think each and every device in the present day, modern day world are having dictionaries and encyclopedias. So you will be searching encyclopedia in the web, and you will be having dictionaries in mostly all the applications you are using. Even in your mobile text based editor also will be having dictionary. Okay, wherever you are searching for something, you will be having dictionary there. So these dictionaries will be present as a part of your MS Words, MS Excels. Okay, they will be present as a part of your typing in your mobiles. They will be present. So dictionaries and encyclopedias will be present in most of the places in the current day, modern day devices. And to sum it up, indeed any discipline that relies on documents do its work could potentially use and benefit from information retrieval system. So any application or any place where you are dealing with the document storage, then you can benefit from information retrieval systems. So these are the applications. So the applications involved, scientific literature in 1940s, storing scientific literature in 1940s. Later it was used for providing access to books and journals. Later it came into commercial information retrieval systems. Now everyone is using these commercial information retrieval systems, and also dictionaries and encyclopedias. All these are basic examples of information retrieval systems. Okay. The next thing is, okay, what is an information retrieval system? An information retrieval system, basically, as I already told you, it is about storage, okay, managing your storage and accessing those particular things. So an information retrieval system matches user queries. Okay, these user queries are nothing but formal state of information needs. That is what I need. That information need will be calling it as a query here. Okay, so those queries has to be matched to documents stored in a database. Okay, this will be calling it as an information retrieval system. Okay, so information retrieval system major purpose is to match your user query to the document present in the document store and give you the particular thing. This will be calling it as information retrieval system. Okay, a document is nothing but a data object. Usually it could be a text, though it may contain other things like your photographs, graphs, and many other things, videos also. Okay, a document is just a data object in your particular information retrieval system. Okay, so the user will be giving you the query. Okay, the information retrieval system has to match this user query to one of the documents in the information database and give the result to the user. This is basically the information retrieval system, and all the documents present will be treated as data objects here. Okay, so information should support the following operations. All the information retrieval system should support the following operations. The first thing, they should be able to enter the documents into the database. That is, whatever you collect from varied resources, all should be able to bring it into one database. Okay, so when you are bringing this particular thing into database, there will be lots of other things involved. That is, you should be able to check the particular thing. Each and everything has to be done. Data cleaning process has to be done. You should have learned how this will be done in data warehousing and data mining. Okay. Next, you should be able to change the documents. That is, whenever you feel to enter the documents, you should be able to enter the documents. Whenever you want to modify the documents, you should be able to modify the documents. The information retrieval system has to provide these operations to change the document, and if it has become obsolete, you should be able to delete those documents. Next, to search for the documents and present them to the user. The main important thing of your information retrieval system is, based upon your query, it should be able to search for that particular document and present it to the user. This is the main thing of your particular information retrieval system. Any information retrieval system has to provide these four operations. It should be able to enter your particular file into the database. Second, it should be able to change that particular document. Third, you should be able to delete the document. Fourth, if possible, you have to be able to search for that particular document and present it to the user. Okay, these are the various operations which will be supported by information retrieval system. This is a basic diagram of an information retrieval system. As you could see, the user will be having an information need. The information need through a web search will be provided to the information retrieval system. The information retrieval system, what it has to do is, it has to go and search in the database and try to match the information need to a document in the particular database. If there are no matching document, it should be able to provide an error message to the user, that is, no matching document is present. If there are some matching document, it should be providing a retrieve document list, that answer list. Okay, this is a basic diagram. So as you could see, user has to provide one information query. Query is nothing but an information need. So information retrieval system has to match that information need with the database. So the database will contain data document objects. So one of the objects will be matched with the information need. That information need will be provided as retrieve document list in the answer list. This is a basic diagram of your information retrieval system. This is how basically an information retrieval system will work. So to conclude each and everything, okay, information retrieval is an activity of obtaining your information from any system by searching for that particular document or some file. Okay. Next, that is information retrieval, obtaining information. An information retrieval system is nothing but based upon your user required search, the information retrieval should be able to match something into the database and bring that particular list to the user. Okay, so in this session we have so far covered what is the introduction to information retrieval and what is an information retrieval system and where are the places you are going to use this information retrieval system. That is, what are the applications of your information retrieval system. In the further sessions, we'll be looking at what are the various information retrieval systems we have and how we are going to have and how we are going to use those information retrieval systems and what are the advantages of some information retrieval systems and disadvantages of the other. Okay, and we'll be looking at some more advanced concepts regarding this